Hey guys, it's me, Tanya from Life Voyages. Today I am talking about food. Food in the van, what we bring, how we store it, what we keep in the van, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned to hear more.
Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
Okay, first of all, I have this hanging fruit bowl, which I absolutely love. Avocados, whatever, onions, anything that you can have out, you can hang there, so that stores food for me. And then I have these upper cabinets, and they hold condiments, utensils, spices, pretty much things that you don't need refrigerated. And I almost forgot, behind the condiments are dehydrated foods by Thrive Life. I mean, I have the stuff you use a lot, onions, green peppers, but I also have stuff such as, well, there's carrots as well, diced, but I also have chicken slices, dehydrated chicken, and I also have dehydrated sausage and dehydrated eggs. So I've got all the basics for mini meals in this van. So if I don't have meat, I also have dehydrated cheese. So I have most things that you would need. Otherwise, it would be in the refrigerator. But if you, in case of an emergency, we have the dehydrated. We can easily make a stir fry and stuff like that. So we're ready to go. We also have this refrigerator freezer, and it is this certain size because it does slide under the bed. It has its own spot. See that whole big spot? It has a whole spot just for the refrigerator to slide under, because it needs to slide under so Derek has the most room with his wheelchair to get in and out of bed at night, okay? That's how we chose the size, but we end up loving this thing. It's frozen hard as a rock if you want. And also, look at it, has ice trays down there. So, I love ice. I love iced tea, so I needed a freezer. Then on the fridge side, it holds an awful lot for a small fridge. Okay, this bacon, I just have to put things in baggies and where they fit easier. Look at what we have. Bacon, shrimp, 3 yogurts, some cream, salad dressings, 2 things of chicken, a big old huge ham, several things of hot dogs, mayo. This is where all the dairy and meat goes. Anything that needs refrigeration, but it holds a lot. So that's fridge, freezer. And then last but not least, we also have a produce bag. This is where we keep stuff that it's got ice pack in the bottom and keeps things fresh, but these things aren't like super pertinent. They'll just get wilty, but they're not going to go bad. So we have our produce bag, and that's just how we do it. Obviously, if we could fit a huge refrigerator, we would keep it together, but we don't. So this is how we do our trips. And you know, this produce stuff will last. It'll last sometimes a week. So we try to go to the store once a week when we're camping to, you know, replenish this kind of stuff. Between the pantry storage of the dry goods, all the condiment seasonings, our refrigerator for the meats, dairy, and then our produce bag and our little hanging fruit basket. I mean, we can live in here for several weeks easy. We've got enough food. And of course, you know, when the pandemic hit and everybody was scrambling, well, we always have a supply for several weeks in just our van, not counting our home base food storage, which we have months and months and months worth. Anyway, you never can be too prepared. That's how we handle our food when we're in the van.
did a great job of showing you where we store the food in the van, but I've got my own storage for the stuff she forgot. Bow, 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 bow. Everybody needs a little beef stick. Let me show you what I got. Jerky. Chili cheese Fritos. Oh. And little ding dong. and the piece de resistance. Happy juice. Oh, wait.
Seriously, you have all that underneath your wheelchair.
2 bottles of happy juice. This is regular happy juice. This is special occasion.
Let me see that bag again. Right.
You want to see my sack?
Oh my.
It's right here. It's got a lot of storage in it. See all that? That is just a small sampling of what you can get here. You like it? You love it? Subscribe. Hit the bell. Give me a like and a comment. No, you're not getting part of it. We'll see you next time.